What's up, guys? Got a new IE intake here. Gonna go ahead and unbox that and dig into it and see what we got. Packaging, which is good. Everything's padded. Let's see here. We've got a box here with some stuff in it. Let's see what we got here. The couplers, sweet. Little koozie and some stickers for everybody. And the couplers and hardware that we need to install. And getting down to the bits of it we need. We've got the actual intake here. Looks like a lovely piece, as you can see. It's got the grates in the bottom and on the sides for sound to go through, and you can remove this, but there's no real point to remove it. That's just to service the filter. This is the polymer version, and they're sending me a replacement actually because these little screws right here, a couple of them popped off, and this intake actually was able to be moved around and wobbling in my engine bay. So I talked to them about it, and they went ahead and sent me a new unit here. That did include the new coupler as well that needs to go with it to match it up. Got that. And just some more packaging. So it looks like they sent me completely new intake with everything, not just this piece here, which was coming off because, like I said, these screws were put in the plastic only and not tapped, so they just kind of popped out. Again, like I said, talked to customer service. They hooked me up real quick with a new one, just 2 days to get here. New coupler, new hardware, new intake, and a new koozie, which is always pretty sweet. I use these things all the time, and more stickers, which is always fun to have. But there you have it. I'm gonna get this installed, and I might do an install video for you guys just to show you how the intake comes in and out, which is relatively easy. And if you guys want to save 5%, use JCS3 as a promo code, and you'll save on all IE products. Thanks, guys. Peace.